This was supposed to be simple, just a normal slinky cat. Cute, flexible, minding its own business. But then we added glitter, and that's where things got out of control because now this isn't just a cat, it's drama. Stretching, flexing, sparkling like it's about to cause problems. By hour 1, I knew this cat doesn't walk, it slinks. By hour 2, I'm pretty sure it had an attitude, the kind that knocks stuff off tables on purpose. And the glitter? Oh yeah, that wasn't decoration, that was a warning. And when it finally finished, yeah, that's not a toy. That's a glitter-powered chaos noodle. And honestly, I wouldn't trust it around your valuables.